is Rebecca Mink with Mink Shoes. How do you make your shoes look smaller? Well, I'm definitely the person to ask. I'm also a wardrobe stylist as well as someone that has a shoe company, and when you shoot shoes in photo shoots, you definitely see if someone's foot is very large by the style of the shoe that you choose. So it's very important to make sure that you are aware of your shoe size, and if you do have a large foot, that's okay. So many people do, but we can disguise it in the perfect shoe. Here's some ideas. So, of course, we all love big, chunky wedges, and they're so much fun to wear. But I'm sorry if you do have a bigger foot. This definitely will make your foot look bigger. If you don't mind, that's great. But if you want to make your foot look smaller, I wouldn't wear something that has a lot of surface area and is very chunky. Same goes for very thick heels and platforms. It can look like a very large shoe when it gets into a bigger size. In comparison, if you look at something that has a really dainty heel or has really nice lines that are very simple, a lot of skin showing on the foot, this will really help, because what happens is the leg will actually get longer, you'll see more of the skin, and you actually won't concentrate so much on the size of the shoe and the size of the foot. This is a great disguise. By wearing a daintier shoe will make it look smaller. Stay away from the chunky shoes because they will look large. So make sure you keep it in mind with the shoe size and the style, and you're going to look great.